today I am going to do my unboxing. I get a tripod. So this is my tripod, guys. Hope you all are seeing it. So it is a 10-inch ring light tripod phone holder. So here we have the tree mode. So we have tree light mode. We also have the light controller inside as well. And this is the whole setup when it's done. It's a device tripod. It has the selfie stick. It has a 360 view. Yes, 360 view. That's what I'm talking about. We also have the USB card. Yes. So you can see them. Yeah, we could use it around here with the how it's going to look. So this is what is inside. So what is in the box is a LED ring light, a tripod stand, and a cable light control. So you see the light control. So it's a desktop smartphone tripod with 10 brightness level and 3 color mode. So me I talk about, yes people, that me I talk about, and see it right here. Right there. Right there, so yes. Alright. So there you have it. It's a bit dark. So as I told you guys, it's a 360. 360 can go all the way around. 360. Bam. Right there. So here we use to tighten it. So if we want to rotate this part, we loose this to get it to rotate, to go over more or to come over more. So we use this part. And here, see, we move it down, we move it up, backwards, anyhow. It's okay, it can move. Alright? Okay. There you go. Alright, so here you have the ring, and we also have the cable, and this to use to control the lights. So now I'm going to set them up. So this is the stand, this is where the phone should go. This with this. Then we place this one here. So this piece came on, so you'd have to remove this piece and put it here, and then put it here. You're going to push a bit, and then you're going to screw it on. So just give me a little fight, and then it's flexible. You can do whatever with this piece. And then you put the phone here. there you have it. All set up and everything.